Hello, my Rover friends. Welcome to Rover Part of the Day. I'm Justin.
I'm Jose.
What do we got, boss?
Today we got PR25 lift rods.
Lift rods for, do you know which vehicle?
I do not.
It's for LR3 or Sport. Yes, Jose, exactly. You nailed it. Let's take a look. You get this little jewelry box, which is fun. A lot of people keep their stock ones in it. So if you trade your car in, you know right where your stock rods are. So you can take these to your next vehicle. Little instruction card. A sticker. Makes your car faster. Everybody know that.
Yep.
Anything special people should know about the lift rods?
Yes, so the lift rods, we got them stamped right here. It might be a little hard to see, but it says PR25, and they're all gonna have grommets on them, and that's how you know what the car is.
So, there you go. Because we've got them for a ton of cars.
Yeah. Or sorry, the lift rods.
Yep, no problem. Cool. And how do these ship?
How do they ship? We wrap them in bubble, and then we put them in an envelope and send them out.
Nice. All right, my friends, there's a quick look at some PR25 lift rods. I got the part number right this time. You know why? Because it's written on it. I'm not that bright. Be sure to follow.